Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa One in English. My name is Emmanuel and now I'm going to show you how to use this battery charger. This battery charger has a screen, two buttons for change the configuration, and can place different sides of battery, moving this point depending of the side of the battery. And this is very useful for place different sides of battery on this digital battery charger. Now we are going to use this battery to test this battery charger. This is a battery from this list, kind 18,650 kind of battery. In this case, this battery has a lot of energy inside. And for charge this battery, you need to have a digital battery charger like this. In this case, it's very important to see the pole, negative pole and positive pole. This is other kinds of battery. This is a smaller battery than this. Has less energy, and this is other battery, very small in this case than these two. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa One in English. Share this video. Give me a like if you like this kind of content. Thank you. Now let's start the test of this battery charger. The first step is connect this plug here in this power outlet and watch the digital screen. Look, the information, this screen only shows the information when we place the battery on the battery charger. If this take more time, for example 2 or 3 minutes, without place the battery, turn off for save energy. This is the negative pole of this battery, and this is the positive pole of this battery. This is very important when we are going to place the battery. With this pole here, place the battery in the battery charger. Now we are watching the live information about this battery on the digital screen. If you watch here, we have different information about this battery. This is a live information in this case. For example, this graphic shows the level of charge of this battery. This information is the milliamperes current, the time, charging, this is the number, this is the voltage, 3.60. This is the time, voltage, and material of the battery. If you push this button, we can change between fast charge or normal charge. In this case, this is fast charge, 1000 milliamperes. In this mode, the battery charges more quickly in this case, but it's not so good because the life of the battery may be shorter if you use this mode frequently. It's better to use the normal charge of this battery charger. This other space is for place other battery. In this case, I'm going to take this to place here. Placing in this way. Now, we are watching the information about this battery. This is the leaf information, 1.27 volts. And with this button, we set up the fast charging in this case. In this mode, this battery will charge more quickly. Now, like we are watching, we have two kinds of battery charging together in the same battery charger. This is a useful option because you can charge different kinds of battery at the same time, and this is good. When the charge is complete, all the information will stop. This is the other battery. Now we are going to introduce this battery, replacing this. Remove this battery. Yeah. Let's put this. And now introduce the new battery. This position correctly. And now we are watching the leaf information about this other battery. In this case, we are watching the voltage, the current, and the time charging. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1. Thank you. If you watch here, this is the material of this battery, NiNH in this case, because this battery charger know the material of the battery that we place in it. Depending of the size of the battery, will take more time or less time. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1 here in English on YouTube. And thank you for watching. See you next time.